Okay, go ahead. I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant.
Stop resisting.
I'm pregnant.
Stop resisting.
I'm gonna punch y'all in your face because y'all doing too much.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
You guys
Stop.
On May 5, 2024, an Orlando officer initiated a traffic stop intended to end with a verbal warning. It ended with 6 criminal charges, including a second-degree felony carrying a mandatory minimum of 3 years. This is a legal breakdown of how that happened and why every charge was lawfully imposed.
5810 Raleigh Street. Driver, lower the window. Driver, lower the window. Lower the window all the way down. Morning. How you doing? You understand the reason why I stopped you this morning, ma'am? Okay. You can't. Excuse me? I'm bored. Can you see? Let me see your driver's license. I pulled you over because you came out of Metro West and you crossed the median when you're not supposed to, and there's a sign there that clearly says "Do not enter." Driver's license.
What says do not enter?
Driver's license.
What says do not enter?
Driver's license.
Tell me what says do not enter.
Golf 47. Can I get a couple for
How you doing too much? And I got somewhere to be.
Driver's license, please.
I don't got it.
You don't have it?
Nope.
All right, shut off the car. Shut off the car.
For what?
If you don't listen to my order, I'm going to detain you in handcuffs. Shut off the car now.
Okay, go ahead. I'm pregnant, and I'm pregnant,
Okay,
so you touch
step
me.
out, step on out, step on out.
No.
Stop resisting, stop resisting, stop resisting, stop resisting. Okay, stop resisting, stop resisting, stop resisting.
Leave me alone.
Stop resisting.
I got her.
Y'all better leave me alone, because I didn't do nothing.
It's not on, it's not on.
Y'all better leave me alone.
Stop resisting, stop resisting, stop
Y'all
resisting.
taking me out for what?
Stop resisting, because you're
For what?
resisting a lawful order.
Resisting for what? I didn't do
Step out of the
nothing
car,
wrong.
step out of the
Bro, I'm gonna punch y'all in your face because y'all doing too much. Oh, okay, I promise y'all. Because I didn't do nothing.
Stop.
Oh! Ma'am. No, because I didn't do nothing wrong. And I don't
Stop resisting, stop resisting, stop resisting.
You're hurting my arm. You're hurting
Stop
my
resisting.
arm.
Podium.
You're hurting my
Stop
arm.
resisting.
Off me!
Now you get charged with resisting with violence.
I'm pregnant!
Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Let me
Stop.
Go.
I will tase your so step the back.
Go!
Stop resisting.
There wasn't shit that said don't enter. Y'all just bored as I got somewhere to be.
Stop resisting.
Let go. You're hurting my arm. Stop.
Listen.
Stop resisting.
Sit in your face.
Do it. See what
I
happens.
don't give a fuck.
Not.
Stay back.
No.
I'll tease you too.
Let me down. Let me go.
You guys are in a unit.
Yep. I call the 45.
Let go of my leg. I can fucking walk.
Stop
Let go
resisting.
of my leg.
Stop.
Let go of my leg. I can walk. Let go of my leg. I can walk.
Stop resisting. Stop.
Why y'all holding me like
Stop
this?
resisting.
Let go of my leg. I can fucking walk.
Stop.
Stop taking hits.
Let go of my leg. Let go of my fucking leg. I can walk.
Stop.
Hey, you guys are
Stop.
pushing on my
Stop.
stomach. Let go
Stop.
of my leg. I can fucking walk.
Stop.
Let go of my leg.
Stop.
I can walk.
Wait.
47, 038, you guys want a 43?
No. We are 10-4. We haven't
Let
checked
go
out.
of my arm.
We need at least 2 more.
Let go of my arm.
Stop.
You guys are not
Stop.
listening. If I spit on you,
You're not listening. If you spit on us, you'll get charged with battery on law enforcement officer. Stop.
10 Raleigh Street.
Stop. You cause all these problems for no reason. Stop.
Let go of me.
Stop. You caused all these problems for no
You
reason.
did. You
Stop.
did.
Damn, calm
You
down.
did.
No.
Y'all hurting my stomach. I'm pregnant. Let
Stop.
go of me.
Stop resisting
I
that.
promise y'all I'm
Stop. If you're pregnant, then stop moving around.
You let me go.
Do not try to spit in my face.
You let me
Do not
fucking
try to spit in
go.
my face.
I
No.
don't give a I
Stop.
swear all of you bitches. Let me go.
Kicks hit.
Traffic stops. You had an attitude. Didn't want to comply to the orders.
I don't care. I don't have my license. I just came from home.
Well, you know what? You would have had a simple verbal warning had you not showed your attitude
I
like
don't
that.
care.
Too bad. You're going to jail now.
I'm not going nowhere.
Yeah, you
'cause I
are.
have somewhere to
No,
be.
you're going to jail.
Damn.
Stop pushing.
Let her
Okay, let go You're in my stomach! I'm telling you my time! Damn! Y'all hurting my fucking stomach and y'all not fucking listening! Let me get my fucking shoe! You sick bro!
Get on the other side, pull her across.
Stop. 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 If you know you're pregnant, stop.
Okay, well then stop touching me, stupid!
Back up.
Let me
Listen.
go! Let me go!
I don't want to slay you.
Let me go!
Build it in.
One second in the car.
Might have to hobble her. Give her a minute.
Yeah, you guys will follow when you take her. She's claiming she's pregnant. Oh, wait.
No 44.
If someone has a hobble,
Stop kicking the back of my car.
I need to go!
Well, you're going to jail now. Yes, you are. And if you fight in jail, they're going to safe book you. I know you don't.
Golf for 8.
Unlock me.
110.
Simple traffic stop.
that's
24 hours. 45. What's the location?
Here,
510 Raleigh Street.
Yep. Oh, simple traffic stop. She got the attitude. She starts fighting. I don't, you know, you got nothing better to do. Blah blah blah. She's threatening. Yeah. We're gonna tow that car.
I have to be at my doctor's appointment.
Well, then you should have thought about that before you got that
I
attitude.
didn't do anything wrong.
Yes, you did.
Didn't do nothing wrong. I crossed the thing and I put my sticker on everything.
There's a sign that says clearly do not pass it. Right there. You can fight it in court.
No, it doesn't say that. It said that nowhere.
Yeah, it does.
No, it did not. I
Yes, it
made a
does, man.
U-turn. I made a U-turn.
No, you didn't, man, because I saw you. I saw you from where I was at. That's why I pulled you over.
Right there.
No, you didn't.
What did I do then?
You crossed through the median. You went through the lane that you're not supposed to.
What lane did I not go through?
Wait.
You came out of Metro Place and you went straight ahead.
I don't want to, but I need to go. I don't want to be there.
Hold on. That's going around. Just shut the door for now.
shut the door. She's not kicking. It's fine.
I just didn't want her to kick me.
Okay.
If she's not screaming now,
Just go ahead and shut this door.
she's going out.
What's your name?
Yeah, she's.
Okay, perfect. I'm gonna hold on to this just a minute.
Yeah, I got another one in my toolbox, so watch your back. It was just a simple traffic stop. She wanted to get aggressive and start fighting, so she's going to jail now. He stopped her for leaving Metro Place and making a left, cutting all the way across the road.
Okay.
Yeah, it's posted signs, no left turn. So he's good. Sean, don't argue. If you're done, tell the officers what you need and get her out of here.
Can I get somebody to pick up the car?
Let me call the number on this.
No, I think I have somebody right there.
She already admitted to not having a valid DL.
Yeah.
Actually, go ahead and grab her 1014 as well as her driver. She doesn't have a valid DL.
Just if she's willing to let this lady park the car and lock it up, we'll do that, and we'll have the keys sent up to the jail for her. Well, they came to back him. I knew what they were doing.
We'll follow him.
Yeah, no, I want you to follow.
Okay. Are you ready?
I turned. I live in Timberlake. I don't live here.
What?
No one's
No,
hurt.
she just kicked and hit.
She was trying to spit on people.
Yeah, she like kicked him.
She kicked you? No.
All you gotta do is
She's trying to escape.
She was trying to escape.
She verbalized
I didn't do
it.
nothing wrong. I know I did it.
John.
Can you grab? Hold on a second. Are you going to give me your information? Are you gonna give me your information?
SENDY.
445 JV.
She wants to fight, dude. Look.
Yep.
It's a traffic stop. All you had to do is give me your ID. She's got the attitude.
Calm down, okay? I understand that you're scared, but listen, it's okay, because you're doing too late. You're doing wrong. Let me call your mama to come get your car, okay?
Could you do me a supplement because I'm gonna charge you resisting with violence.
Miss Cindy, can she park your car anywhere in here? And then we'll work on that later. How's that? Can we just have your ID? Have to put it on the report?
Nobody's available. Just so you know.
Yeah, he told him when he gave him the order, he was like, you ain't gonna do shit, bitch.
Okay, I got a 26-year-old.
Huh?
If you get the 1014, we'll pull it up, send it to me, I'll actually release it.
Hey, we can put the car in the parking space.
Yeah, I'm gonna move.
Okay.
Is it okay if I'm on your car? Okay. What's your, well, I'll call you both in a minute for you, okay?
Thank you.
Can you respect her? Are you gonna give me your first name, ma'am?
I just told you guys.
Oh no, I'm the arresting officer. I need it. What is your first name?
Can she tell you it's on my phone?
No,
I have all my
you can tell me. You have a mouth. You can tell.
already ruined
Then I
it.
would charge you as Jane Doe. Okay, I will book you in as Jane Doe.
It's
You know her information?
I don't. I just sit around.
Okay.
Can I talk to you?
No, I'm the arresting officer.
Please.
It's all right.
Can I talk to him? I don't want to talk
Are you
to
done
him.
here, ma'am?
Please.
Are you done?
You gotta calm down.
I know.
But I want to talk to him.
She's getting booked in as Jane Doe. I'm not gonna. She wants to fight and say she's gonna spit on officers. I'm not playing this game anymore. We're not doing this. I pulled you over on a valid traffic stop. You want to start this?
The stop rested on a directly observed traffic violation, crossing a median through a lane posted "Do Not Enter." Under Wren versus United States, any traffic violation provides sufficient probable cause. Under Pennsylvania versus Mimms, the driver had an unconditional obligation to comply with exit orders once lawfully stopped. When asked for a license, the driver said, "I don't got it." That admission was the legal inflection point. Under Florida Section 322.34, driving while license suspended or revoked is a criminal offense, not a traffic infraction. The encounter immediately became a criminal detention, not a routine stop. Physical resistance during a lawful arrest triggers Florida Section 843.01. Resisting with violence, a third-degree felony. Unlike the misdemeanor version under O2, this carries up to 5 years. The distinction is binary. The moment violence enters the resistance, the offense becomes a felony. Under Florida Section 784.07, battery on an officer is reclassified from a misdemeanor to a third-degree felony. Aggravated assault on an officer under subsection 2C is elevated to a second-degree felony. Mandatory minimum of 3 years, which the court cannot suspend, defer, or waive. Spitting on an officer is battery under the same reclassification, a separate third-degree felony. Florida courts have held that spitting is offensive touching sufficient for battery, regardless of physical injury. The act at the jail generated an independent felony count entirely separate from the charges arising at the scene. Under Graham versus Connor, officers must use minimum force and arrange medical evaluation when a subject claims pregnancy. That obligation was met. However, a pregnancy claim creates no immunity from lawful arrest or from force necessary to overcome violent resistance. The two positions are legally and physically incompatible. The officer earns an A-. Valid probable cause, proportional force, correct escalation at the DWLSR admission. The driver earns an F. She was facing a verbal warning, 0 fines, 0 record. Through admission, violent resistance, and spitting, she generated 6 charges with a combined maximum exceeding 25 years. 3 takeaways. 1. Admitting no valid license converts an infraction into criminal detention instantly. 2. Physical resistance is a felony under Florida law, not a misdemeanor. 3. Spitting on an officer is an independent felony count. Every charge on the sheet was triggered by the driver's own words and actions. A verbal warning, no fines, no record, 0 consequences. That is what this traffic stop was going to be. Know your rights, exercise them lawfully. Contest the ticket in court, not on the side of the road. This has been 48H Solves Cases. Stay informed, stay safe.